Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. If you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. If you are existing subscribers, you are also most welcome. So once again, I am in the village, and today I'm going to show you the other activity that the family does, which is cattle farming. So we have rented out this farm, and we're going to show you around the farms. So I shall turn the camera around and let's have a look. So viewers, this is our cattle farm, and outside we grow these crops, which is barley. Okay, I think that's the correct term for bajra. So if I've got it wrong, I'm sure you'll tell me. So this belongs to my cousin or our family. Showing you the millet, sorry, I think this is the right term for this, not barley, from another angle. And then if we look in this angle, we see a wider view of our village, which is Samyal? Samlal, sorry, and more of the crops that we have planted.
ये जो है ये सामने मुर्गियों का फार्म है यहाँ पे
ठीक
देसी मुर्गियाँ इन्हें रखी हुई
Wow,
हैं।
look at the size of that, guys. So it's a poultry farm.
जी जी ये देसी मुर्गियों का
Desi
मिस्री
murgiyan.
नहीं देसी मुर्गियाँ हैं
Very
इसमें।
good. So,
ये तकरीबन 20,000 मुर्गियाँ इसमें वो
sorry,
डालते हैं।
forgetting the word for that. Free range birds in these sheds, viewers.
तो इन दरख्तों के दरमियान जो है वो पीछे डैम से पानी आ रहा है जो एक
ठीक।
नाला या उसे नहर कह लें उसकी सूरत में आता है।
ठीक.
तो ये तमाम फसलों को यहाँ से सैराब करते हैं।
Okay, so there is a channel just behind these trees that the local farmers use for their crops. So we're inside the farm now, viewers. As you can see, we have these beautiful, beautiful animals, and I'll get my cousin to give you more detail about the species and other detail about them.
ये सबसे पहली जो वाइट खड़ी है ना ये फ्रीजियन नस्ल क्रॉस थोड़ी सी क्रॉस में है तो इसके पीछे देसी क्रॉस में है।
Okay, so these are Frisian cows that we see here, the white one, and then that's a Desi Frisian. So I do believe that some of these are originated from Scotland.
तो ये हमारे साहिवाल नस्ल की ये ब्राउन सा जो
Wow,
बच्ची है ये
a local one from Saiwal.
तो वो ब्लैक कलर का वो देसी वेड़ा है हमारा।
Got a bull at the back with the.
जी तो ये एक और वेड़ा है ये ज़रा छोटा है ये उससे तकरीबन 1 साल का ये
ठीक
ब्लैक एंड वाइट जो है।
ठीक.
तो इसके साथ वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एक और गाय है।
Like you can see another bull there, that's black and white, viewers.
तो वो पीछे जो है वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट जो गाय खड़ी है वो ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रॉस में है।
Wow, the black and white cow there is bred in Australia. So as you can see, we have the cows here, we have their living accommodation at the back, and of course they are taken out for walkies and feeding along there. So we'll go a bit further and look at the accommodation that we have. So this accommodation I would describe as a guest accommodation. So if we have guests, they are accommodated in here as much as possible. So in this area, as you can see, we have this forecourt and some living accommodation at the back, which I don't think it's appropriate to open because there are members of the family that are in there. So this is basically what would be described as the Haveli, and behind our car more living accommodation and a shed at the end. What we have here is a thresher that's going to cut the grass or whatever feed that we have. So all these rooms here are barns and hay stored for the cattle. Just outside of our Haveli viewers, and this land also belongs to the family. So I'll just get my cousin to tell us what you're going to be planting here.
जी यहाँ पे इंशाल्लाह हमने गंदम का सीज़न आ रहा है ना,
Okay, so we're going to
तो
plant
हम
some wheat
यहाँ पे
here.
गंदम काश्त करेंगे।
Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
जी जी
Yeah, we can.
सब में ये
Okay,
सारा
so it
ये
is the wheat season, and all these fields, the 1, 2, 3, will be planted with wheat. Okay, let's go inside and see the remaining part. What you see here, viewers, is a farming implement known as a rotaviter. So this goes on a tractor and then crushes the soil. And behind there at the back, we have the traditional, what we call a hull, that's going to be operated by bulls. Is that correct, or is it on a tractor?
ये भी ट्रैक्टर के साथ।
Sorry, this is a mechanical one. It's over there. Okay, so sorry. We've got a ploughing machine over there, so I got that slightly wrong. Okay, viewers, I do hope you've enjoyed this visit to the family farm. So something different. So until the next time, I say goodbye. I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell all the people that you know that would like my channel to subscribe to the channel. So until the next time, I say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please look after each other, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। मैं आपके लिए दुआ गो हूँ। फिर मिलेंगे, अगर ज़िंदगी हुई तो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।